of Delta North. And distinguished colleagues, I move that the Senate do receive and consider the report of the Committee on Niger Delta on the 2016 budget proposal of Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. I so move.
Then we'll take the next one.
Mr. President, the distinguished Senator Peter Nwobushi, representing the good people of Delta North. Distinguished colleagues, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, through a communication to the Senate, presented a budget proposal of 260 billion and 40 million naira only for the Niger Delta Development Commission for the fiscal year 2016 as follows. Personal expenditure 17.560,518,3930. Overhead expenditure 9.9800. Internal capital expenditure 1.300. Development projects 231,224,0000. Total 260 billion 64 million naira only. Revenue sources. The revenue sources for the proposed budget are made up of the following. Revenue brought forward 9.964000. Federal government contribution 60 billion. Federal government contribution, that is unpaid arrears by the federal government, 50 billion. Oil companies contribution and others 130 billion. Ecological funds 10 billion. Other internally generated realized income 100 million. Total 260 and 64 million. Upon referral, the committee carried out its legislative mandate on the bill, and in line with the thrust of this year's budget, the committee adequately funded ongoing projects to ensure project completion, maximize project abandonment, and accommodate limited new projects according to specific community needs. 2. While carrying out its mandate on the bill, the committee extracted duplications in the projects, and the excesses from the duplications were channeled to project development. 3. The committee also observed that the estimated federal government contribution to the commission was 60 billion, whereas what was approved in the 2016 Appropriation Act is 41 billion and 50 million naira. This automatically translates to a shortfall of about 18 billion 950 million naira in the estimated revenue. The unpaid arrears of federal government of 50 billion for the 2016 was reflected in the NDDC budget estimate, but was not captured in the 2016 Appropriation Act and therefore not realizable. 4. The Senate, the House of Representatives, and the management of the Niger Delta Development Commission have thus agreed to increase the revenue profile of oil companies, as there has been a significant increase in the remittance by the companies arising from the intervention by the National Assembly. This gives a total of 241 billion 114 million, leaving a shortfall of 18 billion 950 million naira only. Number 5. Adjustments were made to reflect the new figure of 241 billion 114 million naira. The adjustment reductions were made only in the capital projects amounting to 8.20% cut across the states and regional, and did not reflect the current expenditure. In view of the foregoing, the committee recommends as follows: that the revenue profile for the Commission for the year 2016 be sustained as follows: revenue brought forward 9.964 billion. B. Federal government contribution 41 billion and 50 million naira. Federal government contribution, that is unpaid arrears by the federal government, 0. Oil companies contributions and others 180 billion naira. Ecological funds contribution 10 billion. Other internally realized income 100 million naira. Total 241 billion 140 million naira only. The committee considered the recurrent estimates and internal capital estimates and consequently recommend the following as the expenditure profile. Personal expenditure 17. Personnel expenditure 17.560 518,930 billion. Overhead costs 9.98 billion naira. Internal capital expenditure 1,300 million naira. Development projects 212,274.00 billion naira. Total expenditure 214,114 billion naira. 241, so. Prayers that the Senate do consider and approve the budget proposal for the Niger Delta Development Commission in the sum of 241,114.00 billion naira only, as recommended by the committee. Yes,
Leader of the Senate.
For most